Parang bundok yung ulap dun. Maganda ngayon at hindi maulan. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Ngayong umaga, Sunday is biking time again. Sa tagal-tagal na panahon, ngayon ulit nakapag-bike. Dito ako ngayon sa Mayor's Drive, General Trias, Cavite. So, on the way tayo, going to Pasong Kawayan. Itong Mayor's Drive na to, kaka-open lang din itong daan na to. So wala pang isang taon. Ayun. Ito is from Santiago, and then going to yun nga, Pasong Kawayan. Ito, may ginagawa pang ginagawang daan kasi ito eh. Excavation man tayo. Malaki pang bundok ng buhangin. Advisory, Almer Builders. Dito na ako sa Pasong Kawayan. Ako ay galing sa Pasong Tamachili. Pasong Kawayan naman to. Bikers, tatlong bikers.
Every move is on the page.
Kakano na tayo dito.
Had to fight, misbehave. Had to find a way to change. Had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream. I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place. See, cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong? What fame brings?
Pasong Kawayan dos. So ayan pala, Pasong Kawayan dos. Pasong Kawayan dos.
Change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance.
talabong dun, oh. Mga ibon, oh. Talabong sa amin ang tawag dyan, eh. Ayan, mga puti-puti na yan. Kadami. Mga baka kasi. Napalaban yung ating bisikleta. Putik kasi dito sa dinaanan ko. Balik na rin kasi ako. Pauwi na ako. Malapit na rin ako sa bahay ko. So dito sa dinaanan ko, ano, shortcut. Palaban yung aking sasakyan, kabayo. And guys, thank you for watching. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa aking short video. Thank you for watching again, Sir FM TV. Thank you sa pagsubaybay sa aking short video.